name is Purity. Today we'll be talking about makeup mistakes. But before going to that video, guys, I want to give you a brief description about this channel. On this channel, we'll be talking about makeup, fashion, hairstyle, related content. And guys, the purpose of this video is to educate you guys, add value to your life, and to entertain you guys. Before you go to the video, kindly guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up into this video, comment down below what you want to see from this video. And I want to give you a disclaimer: if you hear any background noises, just don't mind, just understand we are so many in this house. So let's go to the first makeup mistake. The first makeup mistake we're going to talk about eyebrows. On the eyebrows category, there'll be two of them, A and B. I'll describe to you why. But for the first one, black eye pencil. Guys, let's stop doing that. It makes our eyebrows look so harsh. I'm going to show you an example. Let me take one of my compact mirrors and show you. This is the downside. Look at how nice it looks. Look at how harsh it looks. Guys, do you see the difference of using a black eye pencil and a brown eye pencil? Do you look, a brown eye pencil looks more natural, more of your face, but a black eye pencil makes your eyebrows look like they were placed. They just don't look good. For the next trend is feather brows. We're supposed to make our eyebrows ikaika feathers, not spikes. That's the mistake that people do. They make their eyebrows rise like spikes. No, don't do that. Just let me show you the example. So you can use a spoolie to comb your eyebrows, or you can use a mascara wand if you don't have a spoolie. Simple. So let me use the hand. Do you see how? Just comb your eyebrows like this, up, going up. This is the how. Let me show you first how people do it the wrong way. Comb it up. Take the eye pencil, draw spikes facing up. This is not how it's supposed to be done. You comb your eyebrows, but most of the times our eyebrows are outgrown, so you just comb it up. Then take the eye pencil, light strokes while trying to define your eyebrows. Just light strokes, but don't make it as in LiQWYD like spikes. Make them look like a peacock, not a pigeon. Peacock. Very beautiful. Feather eyebrows. Just light strokes, light strokes, light strokes. Simple. See? But here, see when tumefanya hivi kai juju. That's not how you're supposed to do. Just light strokes. Let it flow like your natural eyebrows. The end of your natural eyebrows. So for the second mistake is foundation. Using too much foundation to get the full coverage. No, you should not do that. Let me show you how it looks when you use too much foundation. Do you see how it looks so bad? So what are you supposed to do? Use light layers of foundation. Just share it out so that you can get the preferred coverage. Bring it out, and eventually you'll just get the coverage. But don't do this because it makes it so hard when blending, when you pack on some foundation. But you just do light layers to become easy for you to blend. Okay. The next mistake, concealer. Let me demonstrate this. Remember the all triangle concealer, the over highlighting? No, this is too much. Nowadays you just put dab here to make an illusion that your eye is raising, and also just simple here. This is an upcoming trend that is really good. As in, what I'm trying to mean is, you know, this area from here to here, this space, that is where you're supposed to put your concealer. See ya kitambo triangle mpaka huku, just looks bad. And also, if you're using a concealer, make it one shade lighter than your skin tone, not 2 or 5 shades, no, 3 or 5 shades, either 1 or 2 shades. The next makeup mistake is setting under your eyes. Guys, I know some people still do baking, but I prefer not packing on so much powder. Just prefer use your beauty blender, just slightly pack your powder on your face. Let me show you the difference. This is how we used to do it kitambo. Putting on so much powder, it's too much. Nowadays just dab it off, dab the excess powder, simple, and the concealer is set. Not this too much, it's too much. See, this is how we used to do. Don't do that. Just light layers, simple as that. Dab off the excess. Just then make sure you just press it in. Press it in. Let the powder sink in with the concealer. See, kitambo we used to do like this, so the powder is equal on top of the concealer. No, just sink it in, okay, flawless. The next makeup mistake, blush application. I know guys, we usually tell if you want to apply blush, smile. Najua tunaambiwa we smile. Yes, smile. But when you smile, let me show you the difference. Let me put on some blush on this brush. Then you see. When you smile, see your smile like this. You apply it like this. When ukirudisha mdomo yako the way vile inapaswa kuwa, you see, it makes your face ikae inaanguka. No, don't do it like that. Do it like this. Smile. See the upper face of your upper juu. Upper, that's when you apply the blush. You know this trend nowadays, people apply here on top. See the difference of applying here than here. By side usiwako nikaa imeanguka, but on this side it may raise your face. You see the difference? Very good. So let's stop doing this. Smile, but upper juu. Apply it upper. Makeup mistake is highlighting. Who knows iku highlight? Ile kitambo. You highlight on top of the cheeks, on your lip bone, on whatever, on your nose, on your forehead. All that for what purpose? No. We used to do like this. No, just simple. Just do it here. On your cheekbones. Simple as that. Make it fade. As in, just like equal like a glow from within. See, like a forced glow. Do you see how this is so forced? Just a glow from within. Hapa kidogo, but just tap it in kidogo. Simple. Simple glow. See kama kitambo, this is too much. This is too much. Okay. Guys, for the last makeup mistake, eyebrows. Let me zoom in. This is how we normally do. You line with a round pencil or a darker pencil. It is not wrong using this brown pencil, but this is where the problem is. Now see your blend like this perfectly. Then you take the lipstick, place it like this. Instead uzi blend pamoja, you leave a line. That does not look good. You should do it like this. Use the same pencil. Let me show you the difference. Same pencil. See now, here use your finger, blend it together. See kama imeonesha line. See, huku mwisho you can see there's still that brownness, but it can blended in together. You know that line. So guys, I think that's all I have for you today. I hope you learned something from the mistakes that I've highlighted.